Thank you for joining this relaxing session of puzzle solving. This is Sidrat Gamer. I am Sidrat, and this is a relaxing video series with the free-to-play Jigsaw Puzzle Dreams. Pay-to-play packs are available on Steam, and apparently you can also import your own pictures too, which may be interesting to do at some point. I may get some local scenic shots from my quaint little village in the southwest of England, but that will be announced in the main program. The Steam link is in the video description, so if you like this type of content, go give it a try for yourself. Now, let me queue up a royalty-free classical music playlist on random, and we'll see what we have going on today in this episode. Okay, let's get into it then. Hopefully that's not too loud, but appreciable. So this is the first time I'm seeing this. I took a screenshot, that's it. So I don't know what I'm getting myself in for, but I want to do a relaxing puzzle. How many puzzles do we have by defaults? That's not too bad, you know. I'll do this one. We'll do it on the main table in the play area. We don't want randomized. We can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600 or 1,000 or even a custom. It's been a while since I've actually played puzzles. Is that the traditional puzzle types or randomized flip? No. Right, so we want to keep that on. Oh, no, we don't. We want to turn it off because it's hide preview image. So 300 piece for this picture here. That should be doable within a reasonable time frame. I don't know what reasonable time frame is, but it's not a race. It's calming, it's relaxing. I've got the board here. What's this? Stickers. Why do I want the stickers? Stickers and more supports pack. Right, okay, that's fine. And right, okay. Click on it again. Customize room. We've got an inbuilt music player. I'm not using the one in the game though. Oh no, they are square. Oh no. Okay, never mind. We can select a new puzzle and pretend it didn't happen. Right. We'll have the traditional puzzle so I know what I'm doing. Right. This is more like it, so you can scroll around. I'm using the mouse and the right click, hold down. But if we could see outside, it would be a very nice view. Yeah, this isn't too bad at all. And we've got upstairs as well. Which I can no longer get down from. Why can't I go down? This is why it's a free-to-play game. Nope. Right, so the left mouse button seems to go up and down, but in a very strange, bizarre way. Forward and back. And the scroll wheel will get you back. Right, scroll wheel to zoom in. Right, so let's never do that ever again. And I want to start making some selections. So let's place the blue there. We can place blue and whites in the middle, right there. partial whites. That's red. Red. Or orange. Got that bit there. We have found our first corner, which is excellent. How do I turn this? The E key will turn it around for me, so let's place that there. Zoom in, and that piece is that there. That's fine. Let's place the greens on this side. We should have placed the blues on the other side, really, but we'll leave them there. Greens. We've got an edge. We've got a left edge as well. That goes up there. What's this one? Greens. Blue. Blue middle. Nope, that's not a middle. That's the right edge. And that's the bottom. Bottom piece. Okay, this video will not have a lot of me talking in it. Because it's a puzzle, and if you can't see what I'm doing, I hope you're enjoying the music. It's 300 years old, or thereabouts, so it must be doing something right. That sound is the sound you'll hear a lot. That little clicking sound means I put two pieces together, or I put one piece together with the corresponding correct piece. Leave that there. Leave that there. Does anyone else go through the sky first on puzzles, or the top edge, or the bottom, or do you meticulously hunt down the corners? I want to know. I'm nosy that way. No, that's not going to go. It's somewhere close though. We've got the top. No. Nice. I think it goes in that order anyway. We've got some sky up there, that's fine. I can't see that. Okay. Another left edge there. Yay, right, cool. I found the bottom of the left corner, as well as another green for the right edge. Don't try to force it. If you can't find them, they'll find you. It's all good. And this game, I think, would be really good with some eye tracking. Oh, that goes right over there. This comes over here. That's red. I could go anywhere. That could go anywhere. Top left. Excellent. Not even close, is it? It's not actual. No, don't be silly. No, but okay. Just wondering. Interesting. Face that way. Not ready for you yet, but your time will come, don't worry. That comes down. It does go over there. Fascinating. Doesn't go in, does it? Looks like it should though, doesn't it? Oh. Okay. Yeah, the tolerance is fine. If you see all four corners, give me a timestamp. We've got 3 of them already. No, we've got all 4 of them. Okay. Don't worry about that then. Is that between there? There. trying to figure out how big this puzzle is. I haven't come across that many edges. There must still be some right there. I think it's going to be about that big, isn't it? What am I doing? Looks like it wanted to slide itself off, so I very nearly skipped that part. That's an edge. Right. It's not been too bad for 30 minutes. Are you surprised it has been 30 minutes? I am a bit. Just a bit. Bold enough to go there. Now I think we've got one more piece. Okay. That's it. Excellent, we know how big it is. So there must be at least one more that should fit in together. Must actually have all of them, surely. Surely. Yes. One top, one left side. So it's going to be in the blues. If you like this sort of content, and you may want to join in the fun, this is a multiplayer game. It's free to download from Steam. The link is in the video description, or just search Jigsaw Puzzle Dreams on Steam and it will come right up. Well, this particular board and the others that you saw are free to play. They do have pay-to-play packs as well. And that's going to be green. We want a green with the left. This is why I didn't turn rotation or random rotation on, because that would have really spoiled my evening. If you see it, you can shout it out to me. But if you want to do it together, you don't need to. You just pick it up and put it right in its place. Excellent. There it is. I was about to say it could almost be white, and then it was white there. No, that was bad. I apologise to everyone for that. Still leaving it in the left side green, and it'll be quite dark as well. Okay, so it must be over here. It's not under, that's good. All of these puzzles fit into that space there. Amazing. Left, 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 left. I know, let's zoom in closer. It's going down there. It's floating. Maybe sort of around there. So, what is this bit? Oh, it's got a red bit to it. It's green and red. It's quite dark red, dark green as well. Because we've got the white bit, but we don't have the orange bit, so it could actually be entirely orange. Could it be entirely orange? Not that bit going down. We've been looking in the wrong place. There it is. It was orange. Wow. That was a real Indiana Jones moment, that was. Nicely here. Got yellows. Coming up to the 50-minute mark in about 5 minutes or so. I don't want to jolt anyone out of their reveries, but please continue your purchases and head to complete your purchases and head to the checkout, as they say. As they say. That's where we're going through. Dreams. Okay, apart from the weird controls at the beginning, this has been a very pleasant experience, especially with the royalty-free, copyright-free, classical music background. I hope it hasn't been too overdone, but all your feedback would be appreciated. In the meantime, look after yourself and have a great weekend. Take care.